Now I want to show you how you can use this form or how we've configured this form so that you can be in compliance with the notice of violation rules as well as documenting the violations. Okay, so what we've done here at the end of part one, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you are going to see we've got the standard questions and then question number 20 here, notice of violations. This is where you're going to mark if there is a violation. If there is not one, then go ahead and leave this blank. You don't need to mark anything. If there is one, then you can come select it. It's going to write this exact thing in the comment section on your form. So if it's their first violation, it'll just show NOV1, complete all action items. If it's a 2 or 3, it's going to show this exact text, but it's going to be bold and in red. So you're going to be able to have that on there. And in this way, you'll be able to stay in compliance with the new SOP. If you look at the flow chart on it, it shows that you need to issue a notice of violation for each round of inspections. But when you read the SOP itself, it says to just mark it on the form. That you don't need additional documentation. So the only one that will probably require an additional document is going to be NOV3, the stop work order. In this case, you'll need to actually issue a stop work order. That's going to be usually specific based on the city or the MS4 and their requirements. We recommend that you actually get that form set up in UtiliSync as well. You can send that over to us and we can help you get that set up, or you can set it up yourself. And then that way, when you issue an NOV3, then you can also just go fill out that form and have that taken care of. All right, now on the action items themselves, you're going to come in here and you're going to enter the description. There's the three things that you need for every violation. You need a description, so no signage present. You can assign it to a site contact. So this is someone that you've added to the site, the contractor. You can give them the due date. Remember, it's got to be at least 24 hours and no more than 7 days. And so here I'll give them the 7 days. You can add a photo if that helps document anything. And then the third one is you need to provide the code reference. And so if you can refer back to the question on the form, then that will take care of that. So what we are recommending is that you just come in here and put a Q1. And that means that will refer back to question number 1. That's the question that asks about the signage, and then it's got the CGP and CPP code reference right on there. So if you go ahead and do it like that, then when you save that, you will be fully in compliance with the new SOP that requires those three things be added for any violation that you document.